Hello there, back with Aniswin. Today we're gonna make a flag animation. First, obliterate the default cube and make another cube because I'm a psychopath, but you don't have to. Then make the pole. You can just scale the cube up to make the pole if you're lazy. Or if you feel like you have a lot of time to waste, you can go hard and make something beautiful like a real pole with a lot of things on it. And I speed it up because this is not the focus of the tutorial, so we can get to the creation of the flag and the animation of it. Or if you don't like something smart, you can make something crazy, like a pole of Taurus, right? Or you can just make a pole of donuts, up to you. And if you're done with the pole shenanigans, let's continue to the flag. Just make a plane and scale it to the x-axis to make it into the flag scale. Then rotate it to the front so we can see it from the front. Then add a subdivision modifier. In the modifier tab, raise the resolution a couple of steps. And make sure to select simple. And there we go, we have a high resolution plane now. Next, go to the physics tab and select cloth, so we have a cloth simulation. Look at that, how gorgeous it is. But right now everything falls down. We need to pin some of the areas of the cloth. We can do that with pin group. You can specify a pin group with vertex group. Now you just need to add a vertex group and assign the edge of the flag to it. And select the vertex group as the pin group. And we got our first progress done. Now we need to activate a self collision. Why? So it doesn't collide with itself. With self collision on, now it looks more realistic. Then just right click on the object and select shade smooth to make it smooth. Then increase the quality of the cloth simulation. And you're golden. Now what we need is to set up the flag and the pole. You already made the pole, so just set it up. And now we're done with it. Next, give collision to the pole so the cloth doesn't go through it. Ah, look at that, it keeps getting better and better. Now we need to add wind. Yeah, add a force field, which is wind. And increase the strength to whatever you need with your scene, because every scene is different. Go experiment with it. You just need to focus on the strength and on the noise for now. Then you may want to change some of the cloth sim settings, such as weight. I'm changing it to 0.1 for this. There we go, we are done with the flag animation. And now we're moving to the coloring part, shading part. So go ahead and go into the shading tab. Add a new material to the object. Then add an image texture. Put the flag that you want to put in. You can put a flag, you can put any image that you want, any posters that you want, whatever you need. In this case, put a flag on it. And connect the color to the base color. And there you go, you got a flag with the animation. Done! Super easy. Now increase the roughness to full and then the sheen into 1.5 or 2. And there you go, you made this. You made the flag, you made the animation, and you are done. Now go ahead, share it with everybody, with everyone you know. And we are done for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss any next update. See you soon. Later.